Obesegens were basically endocrine disrupting chemicals, so within that class, but they had a particularly cool function of affecting fat cells, and not in a good way. And so, what obesogens were characterized as being able to sort of bind to receptors that make fat cells called adipocytes bigger, also able to take stem cells that is kind of like in the bone marrow, ossobuco, or whatever you want to call it in our bones, right? That's where we make cells to begin with, making those stem cells into fat cells as opposed to, say, other more useful cells. So there was a lot of different mechanisms by which some of these chemicals, atrazine was one. I mean, that's a pesticide. Tributyltin is another that cleans the bottom of ships to get off all the, all the things that stick to the bottom of ships. There's a lot of them. But the idea was that when they looked at them in animal studies, they could see that exposure, even successive generations, multiple generations later, had some of the gene changes from those original exposures. And so that's one of the concerns we see now with these chemicals with humans.